Welcome to Education and More's Who Should Take This Class for preparing to learn Python 3 at a snail's pace. First of all, students, grades 7 and 8 would have the best tremendous growth outcome from this class, because that is who I am going to gear this class for. Students in grades 7 and 8. It's going to be extremely slow and extremely detail oriented, so that way they will learn very, very quickly and be able to remember what they learned. That is the most important part. I have researched, I have looked at many of these others that say that you learn Python from the beginning and it's slow. Well, they start slow, but they don't stay slow. And that's the problem with most of these places that are my competitors. I have many years experience teaching to low-level students, and I know exactly what is needed to make sure that low-level students can learn this well. Okay, now, besides 7th and 8th, grades 9 and 10. Okay, now, of course, they'll be 2 years behind, so they won't have as much, but depending on how much schoolwork they have, they'll have plenty of time to do lots of practice exercises before they graduate. And if they go on to college, well, great. They can still continue to learn while they're going to college and have a great job after they finish college. Now, if they want to get a job without going to college, they'll have to put in extra time. But yes, they can still do it. Okay? My suggestion is at least 3 years of this course before you attempt to get a great job. Okay? And don't forget, I am also going to be offering jobs also after 3 years. Now, grades 11 and 12. Honestly, grade 12, you're definitely not going to be able to get a job right after grade 12. Grade 11, it would be pushing it. Okay? My suggestion is for these students, use this class to help you get into a good university and to help you along, because programming helps with math. Math helps with programming. You will do much better in school if you have this class. Okay. One of the things I learned about when I was in China is that most high schools in China do not have computer programming, whereas all the high schools, or most of the high schools in America, do. So that's one of the advantages American students have over Chinese students. Now, I don't know how it is in the Philippines, but this class will definitely help you. Okay. And again, as long as you go to college, then keep taking my classes through college, and you'll have a great job when you get done with college. Next, college students. When I was in university, I found that there were many computer science students who just couldn't understand. And unfortunately, colleges go quickly. You've got, 16 weeks to learn what you need to learn, okay? Now, my class is going to go so slow. To cover what you'll learn in 16 weeks at a university, you'll probably need a year. Okay, now that's assuming you did 3 hours a week. Okay, now, granted, you should be able to finish the whole year within 16 weeks if you do lots of the homework and do lots of the classes. Okay, but again, this class is for those students in college that really need extra help with programming, okay, in Python. And this will give you that extra detail that you just can't get at universities, okay? Also, it's for people who are looking to change careers, okay? Now, most of the time, when you get a career, you get it from college. You know, for example, you want to be a doctor. You go to college for a long time, long time to be a doctor, okay? Now, I'm not talking about sales jobs. I'm not talking about working at McDonald's and stuff like that. You don't need college for that, okay? So, if you're looking for a career change, this class would do that for you. As long as you prepare in advance. Don't quit your job and then take this class. No, keep your job. Take this class, as much time as you have. Take as little as you need, whatever. And then plan about 2 years, 3 years, and then you can change careers well. You have these people that just want miracles. They want great paying jobs and they want it in 3 months, okay? So it just doesn't work that way. And that's what these quick coding camps, or what we call boot camps, don't work, okay? Because, they promised, hey, go to our boot camp, pay us 26,000 American dollars, and you can get a great job in just 3 months. Well, this is not a boot camp, okay? And here are 2 articles about why boot camps were failing. So you'll have to type this in if you want to see it. One of the things I don't like about computer letters is that you can't tell what this is. Many people think this is an L because it looks just like this L, okay? But this is actually a capital I, and this is a capital I. I did not choose this, okay? Bitly did. So this is bit.ly/2, capital I, capital L, capital I, capital O, and then VR. So type that in. This one should be easy. Nothing that will make it I and L's in here, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can read these articles. These are not my articles. These are articles you can find on the internet. If you don't want to trust these, that's fine. Do your own search in Google or whatever you want to use a search engine is, talk about boot camps failing, okay? A long time ago, they started out and then they started failing. The biggest reason is because they don't work, okay? The ones who did work was because they already had programmers to start with, okay? But they just don't work. So, who should not take this class? 1, quick learning students. Okay, if you are a brilliant student and you learn quickly, you're going to hate me because I will go very slow. You're going to be so bored in my class. Okay, I mean, even if you just watch my videos time after time, you're still going to get quite bored. You're going to be like, Marcus, you've already mentioned this before. Why are you mentioning it 2 or 3 times? Okay, because again, I am gearing this class for grades 7 and 8 normal students who need extra help. So that way everybody can be a programmer if they want to be a programmer. Okay? So if you're a quick learning student, don't take my class because you're going to give me a failing grade. Next, people who need a job now and can't wait. Again, this is not a boot camp. There is no magic fix. I'm sorry, I can't help you. Okay? If you have 2 to 3 years to wait, which of course this is why it's great for you to start in middle school or high school, then this class is for you. Not for somebody, I got a wife, I got kids, I need a job right now. Can I take your class and then get done in just a month or 2 or 3? No, it doesn't work that way. Okay? Even if you watched all the videos, 12 hours a day and get finished, in a few weeks. It doesn't work that way. You got to do programming assignments. You got to do lots of the homework to be effective, to be a good programmer. Okay? And lastly, I taught for many years in university. And the biggest problem is the people with negative attitude. Okay? I don't want to learn this. I can't learn this. I don't want to do this. If you have that type of attitude, don't even sign up for this class. Don't waste your time. Okay? You need a positive attitude. Okay? Even if you're brilliant, if you have a negative attitude, you're not going to learn well. Okay? You need to decide, hey, I can do this. I will do this. I will study. Okay? I'm not going to cheat you. Okay? That's why I said this class is going to take 2 to 3 years before you can get a great job. That's why I'm starting early. That's why I'm targeting middle school students and high school students, okay? Because this will work as long as you go slow, okay? So, I hope you fit into one of the categories about taking my class, and I hope to see you in my class. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.